Lesson 6. My School. Let's learn about school and its staff. This is my school. We go to school in uniform. There are many classrooms in my school. We learn many things at school. We learn to read and write. We play many games. We make friends in school. We learn good manners. We learn to share things with our friends. We learn about animals and plants. We keep our school neat and clean. Our teacher helps us to learn all these things. Info Hive. A school is also called Pathshala. Here are some people who work in my school. Principal, teacher, gardener, sweeper, gatekeeper, bus driver, librarian. Recap. There are many classrooms in a school. We learn many things at school. Our teachers help us to learn all these things. Many people work in a school. A. Take the